Deep in a forgotten barn, a legend lies beneath layers of dust and neglect. This isn't just any car. This is the holy grail of muscle, the ZL1. Rust has taken hold, but the soul of this beast is still intact. It's time to head to the shop. The journey to rebirth begins today. The shop lights flicker on. A masterpiece is about to be forged.
Let's see what's left of that legendary all-aluminum 427 engine. First step, everything comes out, no bolt left unturned. The heart is on the operating table. It's rough, but salvageable. We strip it to the bone, every seat, every carpet, gone. The dashboard comes out next. Precision is key.
Removing the glass. One crack and it's over. Just a shell remains. The true work starts now. Blasting away decades of rust and old paint. Shiny, raw steel emerges. This is our canvas. Cutting out the cancer. Only fresh metal allowed here. Welding in the new panels. The structure must be perfect. Smoothing the seams. It has to look like one solid piece. A thin layer of filler for that laser-straight finish. Hours of manual labor. This is where the shape returns. Searching for imperfections, the guide coat reveals all. Sealed and protected, ready for the booth. This is the temple of color. Cleanliness is everything. Applying the iconic Hugger orange, the legend returns. Multiple coats for that deep, rich finish. The clear coat brings the shine, mirror finish incoming. Baking the finish. Perfection takes patience. Removing orange peel. We want it smooth as glass. Bringing out the brilliance. Watch it shine. A mirror you can see your soul in. Now back to the heart. Every internal component is inspected. Boring the cylinders. Precision to the thousandth of an inch. Laying the foundation, the crankshaft goes in. High compression pistons, built for pure power. Rebuilding the heads, airflow is everything. Keeping the rhythm, the heartbeat must be synchronized. Ensuring the lifeblood flows, a high-volume oil pump. Closing the bottom end, chrome and clean. The bridge for air and fuel, polished aluminum perfection. The crowning glory, Chevrolet script in chrome. The Holly 4-barrel, delivering the fuel for the fire. Sparking the beast, timing is set to kill. 500 horsepower of American muscle, reborn and ready. The frame must handle the torque, reinforced and coated. Modern handling for a classic icon, coilovers all around. A 12-bolt rear end, built to take the launch. Stopping power is just as important. Massive Wilwood discs. A new stainless tank. Pure fuel for a pure engine. Custom bent lines. Neat, tidy, and functional. The marriage. The engine returns home. Bolted down. This engine isn't going anywhere. A Muncie 4-speed. Row through the gears like a legend. Connecting the power to the pavement. Long tube headers. Let the 427 breathe. Dual 3-inch pipes. The sound of thunder is coming. Keeping it cool under pressure. Oversized aluminum radiator. The nervous system. Every wire hidden and tucked. Iconic hidden headlights. The ZL1 stare. Classic RS taillights. A view most will see from behind. Period-correct American racing wheels. The perfect stance. Finally standing on its own 4 feet. Silence is golden, dynamat for a modern feel. Fresh black loop carpet, the foundation of comfort. A tight headliner makes all the difference. The cockpit returns, pristine gauges and trim. The rosewood wheel, class meets performance. Houndstooth inserts, the ultimate 60s muscle look. Bolted in, ready for the driver. Clean lines and chrome handles. Old-school manual windows, tactile and tough.
looking back at what we've overcome.
The jewelry of the car, triple-plated chrome. The final badges, telling the world what this is. The rear spoiler, aerodynamics for a beast. The face of a legend is complete. High-octane blood for the beast.
Keeping things chilled. Hearing the pump click. Fuel is at the carb. Power on. The electronics wake up. Breath held, heart racing. Here we go. The starter whines. Then life.
427 cubic inches of raw American fury screams to life. That loping cam sound, music to a gearhead's ears. Checking every joint, it must be perfect. Dialing it in, maximum performance. Adjusting the air-fuel mixture for that perfect burn.
The final piece of the puzzle, making sure it tracks straight as an arrow. One last bath to remove the shop dust, patting it dry with soft microfiber. Under the lights, it's flawless, a work of art.
From a barn find to a showstopper. Those lines are timeless. Better than the day it left the factory. The masterpiece under the hood. Time to touch the pavement.
Feeling the power, hearing the tires scream. This is what 427 cubic inches was made for. A legend reborn, a dream realized. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, the king of the road, is back. Subscribe for more epic restorations. What should we build next?